Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this 54-inch car wash brush. So this is a 1-month review video. Let's get into it and let me show you how well it works, features it has, and I'll give my overall feedback at the end. So you can see right here, this thing stands 54 inches tall. Then it has a 10-inch soft bristle brush. So you can see the bristles, nice and soft and wide, so you can get a lot of area as you do the pass. The brush comes off. So you can see right here, it has a metal knob right here and then a hose, so this is where the water comes out of, and this is a heavy duty plastic, so it's not going to break on you very easily. So all you do is just screw it in. Then you have the choice to either make it 54 inches, or if you want to make it shorter, you loosen this up and this pulls out if you need to store it, or if you just want it like a hand brush, like so. And you push it in, you tighten it. It has a nice handle right here to give you extra grip. This piece comes off, there's another grip here, and then here has the on and off button to turn off the water and turn on the water. And then once you're ready to use it, you just press the on button and you can see the water's coming out, like so. So you're easily able to wash it off with the soap. So this is great. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great car wash brush. I like how soft that the bristle is on top. I like how wide it is, and I also like how long the pole is. And it's a great benefit to have the option to make the pole shorter or longer, and I like how well that is made. So this is a great product to have to wash your car, or even to wash windows or walls or anything that you need to wash.